Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to Mapenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Sikukuna 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 4. I'm joined by the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football.
Yes, Thibo. For the first time ever in a history, I receive a lot of a loan contract like I did this week.
Loan?
Huh?
Loan?
Yeah, loan contract.
Yeah.
Yeah, the supporters are Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
So, Kibilele Maragomo Munche Braga. It is the but today it was a closing day, all rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's welcome them in a arena. They're going to be with us this weekend. So, but I gave them 6-hour contract. Obvious, I was the only Kaizer Chiefs fan who was allowed to do so this week. So, but anyway, Stibo, we are going to the game this weekend, the Sundowns. A very difficult game to go and play, but I can tell you that we are ready for Sundowns. Hortmane ne ke tiputsisa hore training ya ne tsa mo sporong se yo emisa ke mang.
Yeah.
Kere maybe Skukune eta fokotsa lebelo mara azang brayaga.
Yeah.
So but we are the first team in the PSL to beat Mamelodi Sundowns home ground this season.
That's right.
I saw Jiwi.
Yes.
And the Yababeta Brayaga Sundowns equally 15 goals.
Yes.
Ka 4 games he failed.
Yes.
Tell me Brayaga or Dalali Timulori equally 4 ka Pirate, 4 ka TS Galaxy, 4 ka Skukune, 3 ka Marumo Galant. 15 goal 4 games.
Yes.
Of which there was a question about London or Revotsemo. Your Tiba Kemang Sundowns.
When are
As a Chiefs, Braga. The players Braga, they are going to work overtime on Saturday. Yeah. And Braga, in a history, 2025 Betway Premiership, we are the first team and we are the last team to beat Mamelodi Sundowns home ground this season. Hortmane, let me just talk to the fans, Orlando Pirates fan, as they are coming and approve the contracting and the Kaizer Chiefs fans. Braga, I would like any ticket holder to arrive on time. Lucas Morepe. It's very difficult. The ticket ka mokhodi tswileng ka teng ba di rekisa di fela ka 3 hours, of which 20,000 tickets they've been sold over the weekend.
Yeah.
It was so sad news, Brayaga. But we accept as it is. It is not our home ground. So, but anyway, they took us to Lucas Morepe. They disrespected our fans. Because of our fans, they are using their own money to travel, own money to get the ticket. But you gave us such a pitch, stadium, Brayaga. You're not allowing the fans to go and enjoy football. PSL sometimes when they take a big game like this, Hortmane, take this game to the relevant stadium so let's talk on a maximum number of the fans, because those people they want to go and enjoy that football. Those people they want to go and look at the game, Hortmane. But if you don't allow them to go and support their teams, I would like to advise the people that they don't have tickets. It's unfortunately hard luck for you guys. Stay home, watch the game on the TV. In order of, we don't want to get Ellis Park again eating Lucas Morepe. Yeah. It was a sad news, Hortmane, ko Ellis Park. So stadium Selesa Lucas Morepe Braga. Believe me, there will be people they don't have tickets. They will come there in numbers. They will try and force to get inside the stadium. Yes. And stadium Seleke Sibone ka game le ya tse di fitileng. Hona le stand se se krekileng. They didn't allow people to go and sit on that stand. Stand B. Yeah. So I'm not sure if that stand is Basiluki seats or Biang. And if we're gonna force to go there and we are not going to listen to anyone who's operating there, then we're going to make disaster and about to lose mapilo about. To save mapilo, lo respect mapilo about for it was not ticket, nakwa high, o lebele bolo kwa high. Hortmane, let me take this opportunity, Brayaga, Kibueka Salese, Allende Ribeiro. Hortmane, Allende Ribeiro, they must go home this Friday. They must take a flight to Brazil on Friday. Allende and Ribeiro, they'll come back to this country on Monday. We want to sort out something, Grotman, Lucas Morepe. So they must go and attend the family gathering.
Yes.
So then we can feel free there by Lucas Morepe and do our business as requested, Grotman. No. They must also book. We can help them to book the flight, Grotman, on Friday to leave this country.
I was just.
Yeah, they'll come back Mondays. The sad news that I have here, Grotman, Mulefenkiti, I don't know who's Mulefenkiti. Ntiki is going to host us. He's going to be a head coach of Bafana on Sunday against Egypt.
Yes.
Grotman, I don't know, maybe Nkiti only family ko Safa. Yeah, I think Nkiti only. No, he got family. Yeah, Ntiki got family. Grotman, no, head coach Nkiti.
Nelly head coach how go Chiefs man.
No, Nelly head coach but no, Nessie head coach.
Nelly head coach there man.
Acting head coach.
No, head coach.
Yeah, that's why Reboni Kapela Grotman Ramulela Munyao.
Interim.
No, Ramulela. That's why Timmy Ago Bonestara Gilaviana today. So can only question, but anyway, Ketarin Grotman, we are going to play Egypt and then Andal Mulefenke. So
Question now, okay.
We regular position. Yeah, you know, anything is a connection, Grotman.
Brown envelope,
Grotman. I'm gonna request that the only woman that's matter in our country.
Who's that?
Akona, she must come and discipline Mamelodi Sundowns, Lucas Morepe, Grotman,
please.
Kaka Saturday.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm requesting that woman, Grotman, ebe na toro tshwarelang game ele. Ole ha tse envelope.
Yeah,
Akona Grotman ha bereke ka envelope. So she must come in and host us there, Grotman, ka game ele Braga. But not forgetting Grotman to give the credit to Coach Nabi. Bafwetu, this message is going straight to Kaizer Chiefs supporters.
Bring a lebon.
Grotman, we are going to face Mamelodi Sundowns. Ke bo ma 4-4. Ba phakisetsa batho, hwipi 4.
Yeah.
But now I can tell you hore ke tlhakonga ke Braga. Yeah, Grotman, tomorrow morning I'm going to Nature and I'm going to give them something to use on Saturday. So believe me, we're going to win this game.
Yeah.
We're going to bear them, especially there by the Kenyaka di supported the Konang Hopela di Fela Braga because it's a funeral day for Mamelodi Sundowns on Saturday. So unfortunately, rest well Mamelodi Sundowns on Saturday. Rest well, yeah, they are going to rest well, Grotman. I think it's about a time Cardoso will pack the bags, Grotman, because of Otto Bita Ketimilo, they never expected to Retomo Bita. Anyway, the happiness will go straight. The Orlando Pirates fans, they are going to celebrate more than us as a Kaizer Chiefs on Saturday.
Yeah.
Anyway, we allow them to be part of us as I approve their contract. At my conclusion, Grotman, let me braga ke tse opportunity ya braga ka ge ke tse ke pointile na bo re kenya go bua le nabi braga ke setse ke buile gore o re tsela Nedbank as our first trophy. Re bone struggle se re na le sona this season, but the change e re na le yona mo teaming le patient e re na le yona mo coaching ya rena. The only thing e lore at least aka re rela yona ka Saturday ko tse ntwe ke tlo mo fa yona ka boshiu Braga a berekisa re winele game ele wa bona tsotlhe di ka re palla mara if to beat Mamelodi Sundowns of Grotman on Saturday, it's a big achievement for us as a Kaizer Chiefs. Biggest achievement for us.
Yeah.
So Coach Nabi, be rest and assured and feel free, Grotman. Even the player tsa rena ba ska ya ka pressure ko gaming or defense tsa rena ba ka reconsider first, then it's going to be disaster. No, we respect that game even though we can lose that game, Grotman. I don't think there's any Kaizer Chiefs who must misbehave in order of protect our lives in that kind of situation. It's a stadium. Exactly. Smallest stadium, Grotman. Man of the match of today. Credit and congratulations, Grotman, to Mamelodi Sundowns to collecting another point, of which I think they are 46 goal. So for them, they've done very well. I'll give the man of the match to Tebza. Yeah, Mrembula ke tlo mo fa man of the match even though ke mo khopela hore a tle ka excuse ka Saturday.
a dule fatshe
A ibile a ska tla ko gaming.
a rest
Family matter. He must go in and attend family matter. So Uncle Leafy Brayaka re na le meeting a re nya go mo include.
family responsibility leave
E botlhoko feta Sundowns.
Thank you.
Thank you.